Morning everybody, happy Monday on this glorious day. Look at it, blue skies, sun's out. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Just thought I'd start with the Fiesta, bless it. It's looking a little bit mouldy, but me and Laura and Harley were looking around it on Saturday with optimism. Well, maybe I was optimistic, but yeah, looking at a bit of a plan going forward. Rust and more rust, but there will be some updates coming fairly shortly in the fact the car might sit a little bit lower to the ground. So that's that, but we have been busy. Yesterday we was at the Stony Stratford car meet, got out and see some of you yesterday, and the cars were just fantastic, such a variety of cars. It was like a National Triumph Stag show. There were so many, it was unbelievable, and we've got one during this week, so that was good. Lovely mix of Fords, Porsches, BMWs, there was Ferrari, there was a bit of everything. So yeah, me and Laura really enjoyed walking around there yesterday, but we're back at it today. We're concentrating on these mini panels. They're for the mini challenge that's starting in April. And they're a very, very lightweight fiberglass panel, but because they're so lightweight, they get very easily damaged, and they're full of impurities and imperfections from new. They are just poor molds, really. So I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but even stuff like, all of these holes bubbling, and they literally crack in your hands. They're that thin. So yeah, just wanted to show you an example. This was all smashed, so this has been fiberglassed, and now it's on its final skim. Same for that side. This one I think was worse. You can see the remnants of the fiberglass. The side skirt was basically destroyed, so we've had to laminate the inside to get the strength back. Even some there, and then this edge is really quite square. Well, it was just fluffy and non-existent, so we've squared all that up nice, but it was full of hairline cracks, so we've had to grind them out and skim them up as well. And I really want to show you the front bumper, because this had the most amount of laminating repairs. I can still really smell the fiberglass and the resin, but yeah, this had cracked and gone through to a hole. This had smashed through, bottom edge had cracked. So yeah, that's all been laid up with fiberglass. Yeah, you can almost hear it cracking just me doing that. And then fiberglass filled and then glazed any imperfections. So we're nearly there now for primer and paint, because they're going off to be wrapped. And then we're also finishing Mark's Vito van. It's actually a really clean van. He's done all the mechanical stuff, sitting on some nice, I think they're C-class car wheels. But basically we welded in a new wheel arch in there. Well, inner repairs as well, inner arch repairs, that lower section. So yeah, it's looking a little bit dusty, but we're just finishing polishing it off. So we've done a 2-stage polish on it, so just polishing it and cleaning it up and getting it ready for collection. It's had a new bumper corner, and it's starting to look really tidy now. So yeah, lots to do, lots to get on with, so I'll talk to you in a bit. Right, the Triumph Stag is just turned up from Eggington's, just been dropped off. It had been at EnviroStrip for a complete dip, so we've had a look round it quickly in between everything we're doing, and fair to say on all probability it's probably better than we thought. Quite often you can get a car dip and you just have an absolute horror of holes. There is some bad previous repairs which need removing, and there is lots of little holes everywhere, but certainly solid than we expected. It's had quarter panel repairs fitted, so we're looking into putting complete quarters on it. But yeah, it's just an initial inspection at the moment. But yeah, I hope you can appreciate it in its raw state. It will be re-dipped and e-coated once all of the metal work has been done, so don't panic that it's in bare metal right now. That's normal process. Even a sweaty hand will make it go surface rusty, but that will be re-dipped. Problem areas are the A-posts, quarters as we've mentioned, floor repairs, bits in the boot are quite nasty, the bulkhead needs repairing, chassis outriggers, bits in the doorsteps, in the tubs. There is a long list, but yeah, we are happy with our starting point. Yeah, just want to thank Len and Eggingtons and the team to getting it dipped and back over to us today. Just looking forward to getting on with it.